Ever wonder what would happen if a modern chef suddenly found themselves cooking for royalty in ancient Korea? Um, it's a question you probably haven't pondered, but Netflix has an answer. Into this particular setting, that is a real automatically real organizations with the late 2010s and early 2020s brought us sprawling epics like Game of Thrones, The Witcher, and Lord of the Rings, The Rings of Power. Um, each show competed for attention. I said, yet, despite this abundance, a standout series quietly earned critical acclaim uh, uh, with an upcoming Harry Potter reboot poised to be the next big thing. It's easy to overlook hidden treasures, right? But savvy fantasy fans should look no further than Netflix and discover a Korean gem. Bon appetit, Your Majesty, Sabi Atawa, adapted from Park Up-jae's web novel. This series blends time travel, romance, with the pressure of a high-stakes kitchen. Um, there, uh, imagine Outlander meets The Bear, but set within the Joseon dynasty. Lim Yuna stars as Yeonji Young, a celebrated chef who inexplicably travels back in time after winning a prestigious cooking award. Instead of Seoul, she lands in the royal court of King Lee Hyun, played by Lee Chae-min, and the young king is distrustful and loves food. And Yeon Ji-young uses her modern culinary skills to win him over. And soon she becomes his chief royal cook, um, navigating palace intrigue with every dish. And while Netflix's Dark delved into complex sci-fi time travel, Bon Appetit, Your Majesty offers a lighter tone, and it's the playful mix of politics, romance, and adventure that justifies its impressive 95% score on Rotten Tomatoes. Fans hoping for season two might be surprised. Instead of continuing the main story, Netflix is developing a spin-off starring Cha Eun-woo. This could protect the original satisfying conclusion. The new show, Sorabelle Knife, will explore an earlier period in Korean history, with director Jung Tae-yu returning. It promises to expand upon the world of Bon Appetit, Your Majesty, while charting its own course. Speaking of courses, what do you call a chef who's also a king? A royal pain in the kitchen? But seriously, don't miss out on this show. It's a delightful escape with surprising depth and flavor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, thanks.